Hey friends, if you encounter Splwow64 exe system error when printing on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the printer drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list of printer drivers. Right click on it and select update driver. The next solution is to restart the print spooler service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the print spooler service. Right click on it. Select properties, change the startup right to automatic, select start, apply, OK, and then it's done. The last solution is a disk cleanup. Now I'll tell you why. Because at times there are some files which are stuck and because of them you are unable to print. So here's what you can do. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of the boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.